Over 70 students gathered at Hornbake Plaza Wednesday afternoon for a rally organized by the Young Democratic Socialists of America, known as YDSA. Their mission, a petition demanding President Pines and campus administration take measures to prevent ICE from coming on campus, make UMD a sanctuary campus, and bring back resources for undocumented students. Nick Cosgrove, YDSA's co-chair, kicked things off by talking about the petition the group planned to deliver to the administration.
Look at what we've already done just by standing up for ourselves. Over 2,900 people have already signed our petition.
Cosgrove told the Black Explosion while Pines hasn't yet responded. They want the university to be very clear about protections for students from ICE. After speeches, students marched from Hornbake Plaza to the administration building.
Immigrants are welcome here. Say it loud, say it clear. Immigrants are welcome here.
The video shows two members handing a white binder containing the petition directly to a university administrator. On their right, a police officer is overlooking the exchange. The group says this is just the beginning. Their movement won't stop until the university meets their demands, and they're willing to work with the university leaders to make it happen.
The working class, the students, we need this campaign now more than ever. It is imperative.